Hi everyone, welcome back to CatNest, an ISO certified 9001 to 2015 institution. Today I'll be teaching you one more important topic in Excel, that is how to use date and time function in Excel. So why date and time function is important? Date and time function is one of the Excel most powerful feature. You can easily add days and month to particular date and perform time based calculation. So let's get started. So first we should start from today. So before starting any formula in Excel, we need to use equal sign, today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. Then it's showing today's date. Suppose if I'll add here B3 plus I'm adding extra 2 days here, so it's showing day after tomorrow date. Basically today is used to get the date relative to local time zone. Then next come to now, equals now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. So it is showing today's date and time. Next come to month. Next month. You can use the month function to extract a month number from date of birth. Example, equals, I am using here text function, text, open parenthesis, then select date of birth, comma, open double quote, so I am adding here 3 times months, 3 times M, then close double quote, close bracket, enter. So it is showing date of birth, month. Then next come to day. Here also I am using same text function, text, open parenthesis, then select a date of birth, comma, open double quote, 3 times I am adding here D, then close double quote, close parenthesis, enter. Now it is showing date of birth, day. Then next come to day. Age. Here I am using dated if formula. Dated if, open parenthesis, first we have to select our date of birth, comma, then next we need to select a present date, comma, open double quote, Y, then close double quote, close bracket, then press enter. Now it's showing date of birth, age, that is 24. Now I need to add here extra month related to our date of birth. Equals dated if, open parenthesis, select date of birth, comma, present date, comma, open double quote, then I am using here Y, M for extra month, then close double quote, close bracket, and press enter. And this are extra months. Now next come to extra days. Equals dated if, open parenthesis, select date of birth, comma, present date, comma, open double quote, instead of YM we have to use here MD for extra days, then close bracket, press enter. This is 25 days. Then next come to total months. Total months equals dated if, open parenthesis, select date of birth, comma, present date, comma, open double quote, here I am using M, then close double quote, close bracket, enter. These are the total months from our date of birth. Next come to total days. Equals dated if, open parenthesis, select date of birth, comma, present date, comma, open double quote, D, close double quote, close parenthesis, enter. So these are total days. Next come to E-date. So E-date is using to add a specific number of month to date and return the result as a serial date. So equals E-date, open parenthesis, then start date, comma, then extra months, I am giving here 2 extra months, then close parenthesis, enter. Then next go to home. In home we have to use the option here short date. Then next EO month equals EO month, open parenthesis, then select start date, comma, so I am using extra months here, 1, then close parenthesis, enter. Then next go to home. In home we have to select short date. So basically EO month calculate a maturity date or due date that fall on the last day of the month, that is 31. If you want to know the exact age, therefore how many years, month and days they are between someone's birth date and the current date, will use this date and time function. So this all for today. Next class I will be teaching some more interesting topic in Excel. Thank you. Bye bye.